It's been a minute since I made a video. It's been busy. Guys, what's up? It's your boy Danny. We're opening up a new Citizen watch today. Got this on Black Friday. I think, how much did I pay? This watch is like nearly $500. I think I paid like $300, I want to say. Several dollars off. I know that for a fact. Also, I didn't make a video on this one. I did pick this up also on Black Friday. And it got delivered same day. This is a Q Timex 1972 quartz watch reissue. Definitely love it. It's definitely 70s looking. Hate the band it's on. So I will be replacing that with an actual good band. It's stiff leather, and I'm not a fan of buckle style bands. You all know that very well. But yeah, maybe I'll do a video on this one eventually. But love that gold with the red dial, very 70s, and yeah, we'll see. Anyway, yeah, let's go ahead and open up this. I'm excited. I was looking for so I can't afford a Rolex. I wish I could. I was looking for like a day-date or like a date-just equivalent. And this is kind of that. I mean, it's got the date in terms of the number. It doesn't tell you what day it is. So I was looking for an actual day-date. And it's just something that looks kind of in the style of, like I said, a date-just. Because I don't have 15 grand or how much they cost. So this is a good, I think, good compensator for not having an unlimited amount of money. So look at this thing. It's beautiful. It's gonna be even more beautiful when I take it out of the packaging, or out of the wrap. Got a clasp on the back here. Obviously, you're gonna unbuckle that. It is brand new from Citizen, from Amazon. And I forget the reference number, so I will put it on the screen. It's in the title, or it's also on this tag. It is the BM7103-51L. I think that's the reference number. I'm pretty sure that's the reference number from Citizen. So, yeah, let's go ahead and get the plastic off. And yes, it is gold. I love gold, as you all know. I've always loved gold, and I always will. Come on, plastic. And yes, it is the Eco Drive from Citizen, so you have that famous Eco Drive technology with basically a rechargeable quartz battery on the inside. And in theory, it'll never need to be serviced, in theory. So, we will see about that. There you go. It's a better look of the dial. It's a... So it looked more blue on the pictures on Amazon and on the website. That's a very... Is that blue? I don't know, but it's got diamonds in it. Is it blue? Hold on, let me see. Yeah, that's a very subtle blue. It looks way more saturated on the website. I actually like this. I like how it looks in real life better than how it was on the website. I like that very subtleness of the dial. But yes, the indices are diamonds. Very nice. And then, the 3, 6, 9, and 12 marks are the gold bars. Kitty kitty. I don't know if you can hear him meowing. He wants up here. He likes jumping in the light box. But I say nay nay. I am making a video, kitty. So this will need to be resized for sure. There it is. Very nice. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and resize it because, yeah, it's going to need... I'm usually good at this, guys. I'm going to go ahead and say it's going to need 6 links removed. So, and then it'll look nice on my wrist. Alright, so let me go ahead and do that, and yeah, be right back. Okay, so I was slightly off. It was 4 links that need to be removed instead of 6, but still. There you go. There's the watch. Very nice. Look at the beauty of that dial with those diamond indices. It's just, ooh. And it's, like I said again, it's a subtle blue dial. It's almost more black than it is blue. It's just a very subtle blue. I love it. It goes so well with the color, with the gold color. I love everything about this band. I love everything about this watch. It's phenomenal. And yes, as you can tell, I love gold. Not to quote Goldmember from Austin Powers. Even the Seiko Presage has a little bit of gold on that second hand. Very nice. And then, of course, the Timex. Timex T80. Classic 80s, 90s looking reissue. Very nice. Anyway, that'll do for this video, guys. Thank you all so much for watching. More to come. Stay tuned. And I'll see you on the next one. Loving this watch already. I should probably make a video where I do an updated watch collection. So maybe I'll do that soon. Take care.